All right, yo, what's going on? It's your man, Words Taylor, motivational storyteller. Listen, I'm excited right now. So a lot of you guys see that I've been trading in the foreign exchange market, and I've been with this company that has just made it simple to just be able to make money. I mean, simple as in we have a copy paste profit method where we are making money and we are winning. We are teaching people how this copy paste profit method can be done on your cell phone. Right? These smartphones that we use every single day to now be making us money. When you get alerts, all right, when you're getting Facebook alerts and all of that, you're not making money for that. When I get an alert, guess what? I'm making money. So I want to show you guys one of my alerts from this company that I'm with. All right, we have what we call a swipe trade. It's an app that we put on our phone. Here's the app. I want to show you guys the app real quick. So right here, you see, can you see that? Right there in the green is swipe trade, so I'm gonna hit that. We had a new trade just come out. See, new trade alert. Only thing I have to do, can you see all of this? Is I wanna take a look at this trade. I'm gonna swipe right, and right here, the master trader puts everything I need to get in this trade right now. All right. So and then only thing I have to do is this. I'm gonna tap this button right here. Data copy. Hold on, and then I'm gonna come right over here to my MetaTrader 4. All right, we're gonna come right over here. That was GPS, GBP, USD. We find that. Boom. Trade. All right. It's a sell. It's gonna be a market execution. It's gonna be a sell. All right. Let's look at the numbers. So what am I doing? I'm setting a stop loss. Let me copy that. Boom. So a stop loss is where if the trade goes the opposite way, we want it to stop. And I'll just paste the stop loss in here. Boom. Select all. Paste it. Stop loss is in there. Now it says I need to take profit. Guess what? He put the take profit right in there for me. Boom. Take profit. Let me copy. Boom. Go back to my MetaTrader 4. Boom. Select all. Paste that in there. Sell. I'm in the trade. That was what? How long? About 20, 30 seconds to get in this trade. Now, I'm in several trades, and these came from our Swipe Trades app, right? So I'm going to show you guys when these trades go back to profit. You see my balance, 498. Let me show you this as well. Show you the date. Today is Monday, September 18th, 6:50 p.m. All right, remember that. And so the only thing now I'm going to do while these trades are going, I'm about to chill. I'm about to put up my phone. All right. Let me make sure you guys see this as well. GBP USD, that's the trade that just came in. Hold on. GBP USD to sell. You saw me just get the information. And boom. So I have all the information that I need from that trade. So I got everything I need from that trade, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jump back on when I finish making money. I'm going to put this phone in my pocket. I'm about to go upstairs, chill with some friends. We're going to talk about some other trades, and we're going to make money. And so what I want to do is I want to show you this same system. How am I going to show it to you? I want to invite you to my private Facebook group where we're just showing people a little behind the scenes of what our product's doing and how we're making money and how we can help you make money. How we've simplified this system of being able to trade in the foreign exchange market so you can start making money. Copy, paste, profit. My 5-year-old daughter knows how to copy, paste, and profit. Let's go. So click the number 1. Put the number 1 in the comment section below, and I'm going to hit you up. All right. I'm going to add you to my private Facebook group once you put that number 1 in the comment section below, and I'll add you. And you'll get a behind the scenes look. It's your man, Words Taylor. Ugh. I told you guys I was going to come back when this trade started to change and come around. I told you I was going to be up with friends. We got our trade house going right now. Look, already up $8.38 in the trade. People don't even make $8 an hour now. I'm doing it from my phone, just chilling with my friends right now. All right, those trades. Look, let me show you. We got in that trade at 6:50. Remember, it's 7:01. Also, let me show you guys the date. It's still Monday the 18th. All right, this trade got a lot more room to do. You got a lot more room to go. And not only that, but Amber is trading too. Amber, where you at in your trade?
50, 61. There's a lot of good stuff coming up.
Evan, where'd you get this trade off of?
Swipe trades, baby.
Swipe trades.
Same signal. Same signal. Let's go.
Copy, paste, properly.